I left Linux. We need to use at least learn Linux to better understand the intricacies of our system and become a better developer. Today, I'll share exactly why I switched back to Windows on my new laptop and how this experience can help you better choose your dev tools. It was October of 2024 when I got my new laptop. I wanted to try Arch to experience its bleeding edge tech and lightweight system. So, I went with Manjaro, a balance between being lightweight and having default apps so I don't have to configure everything. Although after using it for a day, I did realize the battery only lasted 1 hour 45 minutes. Nevertheless, I was determined to configure my lightweight OS. I tried using TLP, auto CPU frequency, some open source drivers which did not work, and to replicate my i3 setup from my desktop, Bismuth on KDE seemed time-taking. This made me hop from Manjaro to PopOS as on my desktop. The high Debian support well because it is Debian at the end of the day, and it has auto dialing with some other optimizations which did increase the battery by another half an hour, especially due to the System 76 power package, which then replaces the need for me to install TLP manually. Although a bummer, my CPU did not support integrated graphics, so the option to switch back and forth between the dedicated and integrated on PopOS was disabled. Other than the low priority stuff like multimedia buttons or the RGB drivers, the highest priority remained the battery issue. I realized I had been spending a lot of time optimizing things I should have been doing in the first place. It was time to take a bet on that one OS, the one that will hopefully fix everything. And here is my WSL Windows setup with Ubuntu. For my tiling window manager, I have Glazed WM, which allows me to press Alt 1 and go to workspace 1. I have my main browsing tasks over here, or even run a couple of quick commands. I press Alt 2 for workspace 2, where I usually have my code set up. I press Alt 3 for workspace 3, where I just love to binge watch memory usage patterns. How do I open apps? By having the Power Toys Run widget that opens as I press Alt D, and I just type whatever I want to open over here. You don't need to depend on that one thing you like to work with in all circumstances. After all, they are just tools to get things done, and you can choose whatever works the best for you in that scenario. If you did stick around for this long, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.